Hi everyone. Today I would like to share with you an old oscilloscope testing equipment. This is from also uh, early 70s, uh, made in Great Britain. Uh, company's Gould Advance. So this was used as a testing equipment, and you can see it has a cathode array tube CRT screen, I guess. And this is way before the LCD was invented. You can bring this down, you see, and you have two channels also. And when you put the signal inside, then you can see also the level. It's on off. This is the focus. You can focus the dot. You see how you can narrow it down. And this is the channel 1 means down and channel 2 means up. You adjust the dot. Now it's channel 1. And this is the level. You can adjust, and here you can make how fast it goes. You can make it slow. You can make even fast. So this is the input. This is also input. This is for channel 1, channel 2, X and Y, and then you can see the signal pattern basically. And here it is, and then we can you can adjust. And this is AC or DC or ground, you can choose. And you have the multiple channel 1 and 2 are external, AC or TV function, you can choose. This is a slope, plus minus. This is a bright tone, off or on. We have to on it so we can see it. And I mentioned this was the focus. You can you can adjust that one. So the purpose of oscilloscope mostly is to see the waveform of the signal. So you input the signal and you check the waveform, and like amplitude modulation has a certain waveform, FM frequency modulation has different, carrier wave has a different, and it waveform changes as soon as the frequency has been changed. So then you have to calibrate the equipment to bring the waveform to the optimum, so you know that the oscillation is good and the equipment will work better. That was the whole aim. And you can check on different levels, input the signal, and from the signal you see the waveform and adjust it accordingly while you are calibrating. Bring to the manufacturer calibration standards, then your equipment will work optimum. So yeah, this is the old oscilloscope I've been using for years, and now I'm also clearing my shake, so I think this will go out and to it's a new lover. Slowly, most of the old equipment which is just hanging in my shack, and I'm not using them frequently. I will just offer to the community through various e-commerce channels, and I don't put the price, open the bidding, and they will end up to another loving, caring house. I don't want it to just give for demolition, because I still believe these equipment, they have a purpose left, and they can be used for many decades to come. Yeah, I can imagine they are a bit bulky, space wise is a problem, but their usefulness is as good as all the modern equipment, and the build quality is very good. So that's the plan, and I thought to share with you one by one my test equipment through the videos. So by then you can also have a understanding about the vintage testing equipment, not only the audio and radio equipment, but the testing equipment used in 60s and 70s. I hope you like it, and if you want to see this kind of content, please let me know in the comments. So then I'll make a entire playlist about my testing equipment. Thank you very much. Until next time, bye bye.